Hey, Happy New Year, everybody. It's Jerome Brown coming to you. Just wanted to talk to you real quick about taxes. Tax season is here. The holidays have passed. Now it's tax season. So get ready for your W-2s should be coming in, your 1099s, insurance forms, interest forms, student loan interest forms. You'll get them a variety of forms depending on your situation. So look out for those, get those together, set them to the side. If you're a small business owner, get your receipts together and um, be ready for the tax season. If you need help, you want to have a stress-free tax season, reach out to me. You can go to jeromebrown.com and I will, you fill out the form there, and I'll reach back out to you and we can have a conversation. I'll help you along with your taxes. I can e-file them for you, the whole thing. So go to jeromebrown.com, click on the tab, referencing taxes, and I'll reach back out to you. All right, y'all. Have a great day and a happy new year. I'm out. Peace.